Hey yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra and I'm going to take you through a really quick 5-minute sun salutation practice that you can do as a warm-up to other forms of physical activity. So we are going to start standing up at the top of the mat and beginning just with some half sun salutations to start warming up the back of the legs and the spine. So some people prefer to have their feet hip-width distance apart. If you're newer to yoga, maybe start with this. If it's comfortable for you, you can bring your big toes together to touch and the heels are like an inch apart or something. So the outer edges of your feet are aligned and parallel with the longer edges of your mat. With your hands at the heart, standing up nice and tall here, draw the lower belly in. As you inhale, reach your arms all the way up towards the sky, palms come to touch. Exhale, fold all the way down, and you can definitely bend your knees here. Relax your head and your neck. Inhale, fingertips to your shins, lift up halfway. Keep your weight forward into the balls of the feet, shoulders away from the mat. Exhale, fold once more. And now reverse swan dive. Inhale, lead with your heart. Circle the arms wide, palms come together to touch. Exhale, hands coming together at the heart. Let's do that 2 more times, same exact thing. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold down. Definitely you can bend your knees here. Halfway lift, lengthen, flat back. Exhale, fold a little bit deeper. Come all the way back up to stand, flat back here as you leave. Hands together at the front of your heart. Last time, inhale, reach up. Exhale, folding down, stretching the back of your legs. Halfway lift, inhale. Exhale, fold a little deeper. Press to stand, reach on up. Exhale, hands at the heart. Full sun salutations this time, adding on. Inhale, arms rise. Exhale, fold, just like before. Halfway lift, lengthen. This time, plant your palms and step your feet back to plank pose. Take an inhale, strong in your plank. And as you exhale, lower all the way to your belly. Point your toes back, push into your feet. Cobra, keep your elbows bent and hugging in. Exhale to release, press back, downward facing dog. Take a full inhale in down dog, press into your heels. A full exhale. And looking forward, we can step to the top of the mat, feet together. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold and release. Press to stand, arms reach up overhead, palms come to touch. Exhale, hands at the heart. Again, just like this. Inhale, rise. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. Maybe the fingertips stay on the floor this time. Plank pose. Maybe chaturanga this time as you lower and hover halfway. Upward facing dog, the knees are off the floor. Exhale, downward facing dog. 1 full breath cycle here. In and out through the nose. And you can either step to the top of the mat or you can lift your heels, bend your knees, look forward and maybe hop. Halfway lift, flat back. Fold and release. Press to stand, arms reach up overhead. Exhale, hands at the heart. Last one, just like this. Inhale. Exhale, fold, stretch it deeply. Flat back, breathe in. Plant your palms. From plank pose, we lower chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Full breath in here. And as you exhale, you can lift your knees, lift your heels, bend your knees, look forward, step or hop. Halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Press to stand. And release, hands at your heart. And beautiful, close your eyes here, just with your hands at your heart. Feel the stability through your feet, through your legs, the length in your spine. And we can bring our hands up, bowing forward. Namaste. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis. If you want to warm up a little bit further, you could always do a few more sun salutations, or I have an extended version of this. It's a 15-minute sun salutation warm-up. I'll link to it down below in the description box if you wanted to give that one a try. Otherwise, just a quick 5-minute sun salutation flow. Thanks so much. Namaste.